we have survey identification reports, we have boundary subdivision and strata surveys, we have topographic and LiDAR surveys. We have this listed here.
Yeah.
When you come to this page now, right, you realize that you have surveys identification report. This is the services page. Surveys identification report, boundary subdivision and strata surveys. These are so essential. I want you to do everything after this one because I only did these two. I don't need you to put in the wording for it. I just need you to like change this, change this, change this, change all of these to match this, the services listed here, and then also the services listed here. All right. You get me?
So you want to replace the headings, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
And then I want you to link them. So like you said, when I click this, it carries me to this section. I want you to link them as well. So I'm gonna do the wording for like this portion of it here. I mean here. Ugh, I'm gonna do the wording for here, right? So what I really need from you is to just do this part. This
okay.
part.
Let me share my screen.
So like essentially, this one that says construction layout should really say topographic and LiDAR surveys. You get me?
Yes. 1 second.
Oh, um,
আর কি এসে করছিলাম Robin Mori.
okay, so
Okay, so okay, so those are fine, right? I just need to change the entire page heading.
yeah, and then I'll do the wording underneath it.
Okay, so you want, let me, এটা কি দিয়ে করা CMS না তো আচ্ছা surveyor identification ID report, surveyor identification ID report.
So I linked that one already, but I want you to do the others for me.
I can see they are the same heading. Okay, let me check the next one.
That's not one of our headings. If you go on the home page, that pre-designed packages isn't one of the headings. The next one should be topographic and LiDAR surveys. You get me? So I need you to make all of them match.
I think I don't understand you.
I don't know how you don't understand me because I've explained it like 3 times. Let me try it. Let me try it. Look back at my screen. Close the editor so I can edit and show you what I mean.
Yeah, sure. 1 second. Yes, I close it.
Okay, you can see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Alright, so you see here we have surveys identification reports, right? Here we have boundary subdivision and strata surveys. I'm gonna do one so you can see what I'm talking about. It says that you're editing the site. You looking?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have topographic surveys and LiDAR data. So we're going to copy that. And then we're gonna come to services page. And then this one, we're gonna change this to this, but in the park font, right? It needs to be in the park font. So let me this. And then you don't need to trouble under here. I just want you to change the headings. And then when you have that, right, you're gonna need to here. Wait, this construction layout. Okay, good. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna rename the section as here. So this one needs to be renamed. This one should be renamed right here. You hear me?
Yes.
And then so you're gonna rename the sections for me. And then what I also need you to do is when you go back on the home page, I need this to be linked. The link page services.
Okay, I think I understand it. Within the home page sections, I need to give you any space to put the description on the services space.
Yeah, and then the only thing I would say is for this section, the additional services,
Yes.
I would just want you to put what's here for miscellaneous. So everything that's under here, so everything that's under here, you give them its own thing right here. So oh, you never copy. But basically what I'm saying is that everything that's but these right here on the miscellaneous right here.
Yes.
So you have surveys, declaration, technical description, site plans, easement plans, etc. That's actually what I want listed here. So I want surveys, declaration, site plan, etc., 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 etc. You get me?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So this, 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 this would be here. 1, 2.
I got it.
4. Right. You understand now?
Yes, I understand. On the home page, the services heading, I need to give you any space on the services page to put them, and there have already the details section that you will fill up. I just need to give you space with the heading.
Yes. And remember the links. I want them to be linked.
Yes, when anyone will click on the drop down, you mean the drop down links and homepage links as well. When they will
Correct.
click on it,
Yes,
it will go to directly on the services page on the right section.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand it.
Okay, great. So I'm gonna close it. I'm not gonna publish that. I'm just gonna.
Okay, so yeah, let me do it. I think within it will take just 30 minutes to 1 hour work. So let me do it. When it will be done, I am letting you know to your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome. And I need one help from you. maybe I need a video reviews from you to put my website because I need some of the clients.
When it's finished, when we're finished, because we're still doing, so when we're finished, I'll do it for you.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Let me do it
All right,
and
no problem. All right, take care.
yeah. Bye for now.
Okay, all right, let's go.